Welcome back to Shaving Down Under. Hope you're all doing well. We have another unboxing. And this is a razor, a British razor that I bought here in Australia. It popped up on eBay and I just couldn't say no. I just had a little bit of spare coin. It was just fortunate. And here we go. Hope you're all well. Hope you've been shaving well. Well, this is well packed. I believe the seller was from up in Queensland from memory. And look at this bad boy. We get that to Eclipse. Now, I'm an Eclipse razor fan. And I saw this and I just had to have, I can't believe that this is was an actual Eclipse product. This is a absolute beauty. These press studs, I just don't like them being done up. Just because of the age. So that rolls back. Look at that. Little pouch there for the blades. And out comes the razor. A little Art Deco design there. I don't know, like a square sun. It's an unusual design. I don't know what the thinking behind all that is. I just assume that it's a square sun, an abstract sort of sun. Looks like there was some paint on the bottom at some stage. If you don't know, that's a magnet. It won't hold it, but you can hear it. It's magnetic. So if you drop your blade, you can pick it up safely out of the sink. Let's have a look. Have a look for cracks. Appears to be none. The red ring down the bottom here is fairly well intact. Apparently all this stuff was done by hand. The painting was done by hand from what I've read. Don't know how factual it is, but that's what they say. So 2-piece razor. And out she comes. Beautiful condition. They're a nice razor to shave with. Beautiful razor to shave with. Collection, or red ring collection. So we'll stick with this soft case. And I also have this case. As you see there, Eclipse. With the red dot down there on the magnet. This is in very good condition. None of the Art Deco design on the head. Feels like this is a 2-piece as well. And it is. Do that up. Let me just move this up. And there we have this one here. I don't know what's supposed to be the right way, but this is, I don't know how it appears on the camera, but it's a very dark green. We open it up. Once again, no Art Deco design, no paint there, but has the red ring. Two-piece. I also have one with a brown case. This is my user Eclipse. So it's just, as you can see there, it's got the chip taken out of the lid, which is unfortunate. But otherwise, still a beautiful razor. These razors just, there's no red paint in there. It's either was never done or it just wore away. Although maybe there might be some little bit of red paint remaining in the grooves there. Once again, no Art Deco design. I must shave with this again very soon. So I'll leave that in there. That's my user grade. And then we have this beauty. And there we have the square sun design again. This is in pretty good condition, this case. I would have loved to have seen these cases brand new with the lovely paintwork. It's got the grooves there for your fingers to open up. Inside, look at that. Hard to find them with that sticker. Model BB, I've never noticed that before. Just under the sticker there, Model BB. Pull it out, we've got the sticker inside. Put it down. There we have that Art Deco sun. Looks similar. This one, the squares look a bit bigger, but it just could be optical illusion. Remnants of some of the red paint, none around the ring. Oh, just there's a little spot. So it's lost that. Beautiful. And blade banks. So this one, God knows what happened with this. But around this side, you get to see it. It's a nice looking tin. Otherwise, love to find another one of these. It sort of stuck my head down the rabbit hole with blade banks there for a little bit and pulled myself out before it got a problem. And I got two of these, and this is the better of the two. This is a lovely little blade bank. Magic stuff. So there is one Eclipse that comes in a chrome case. They bob up online occasionally, and the last couple I've seen, I just wasn't in a financial situation to grab hold of it. And I did see another Eclipse recently as well, a month or two ago, that came up online. Came with the shipper, amazingly. And it's the first time I've seen, since I've been collecting, the last 5 years, I suppose. It's the first time I've seen an Eclipse razor and case come up online on eBay with the shipper as well. And once again, just wasn't quite in a position to buy it. But when this one here popped up in this Beautiful case. Soft case, I suppose you'd call it. Leatherette, or is it actual real leather? Hard to tell. I'm not an expert on this sort of stuff, but I did have some coin and I decided to pounce. And I'm glad I did. I'm very glad I did. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. As I said, I just love these Eclipse. They're just a special razor. Look at that. Still got the plastic around it, the cellophane around it. And what was this here? I think. Yes, let's open this up just before we close out the video. Instruction pamphlet. Great stuff. Paperwork for these don't come up too often. There's a little picture there just showing the magnet on the bottom to pick up your blades if you drop them in the sink. So, hope you enjoyed it, and let me know if you've got some Eclipse razors in your collection, and if you shave with any of them, and what you think. Do you enjoy using them for shaving? Okay, thanks for sticking around, and I will catch you in an upcoming unboxing video. I've got a couple of more razors winging their way towards me. Until then, ciao for now.